Hello friends. In admission and retirement and death, there was a adjustment, the main adjustment, that is the calculation of goodwill. The calculation of goodwill is calculated in two methods. That is, one is a average profit method and second is a profit on, that is the super profit method. There are only two methods to calculate goodwill. This method and this adjustment is used in the admission, retirement and death, all three chapters of chapter number 3, 4 and 5 in your government textbook for your 12th accountancy, bookkeeping and accountancy. We will go through the average profit method first. Under this method, the goodwill is calculated on the average basis of the past number of years of the profit. It is assumed that the firm will maintain the average profit in the next certain years, and also so the goodwill is calculated on the basis of the certain numbers of years purchase of the average profit. In simple words, it is means that the goodwill is calculated on the basis of average profit only, and the number of years purchase, that is the goodwill. uh, there are only two formulas given in your textbook. The first is calculation of goodwill, that is given the calculation of total profit. First you need to calculate the total profits. It includes profit and losses both of past 4 years. Now this is the example given in your textbook. Not always all time you will get the 4 years. Sometime you will get 5, sometime you will get 3 years, sometime you will get 6 years. So total profits should be added and the loss should be deducted from it. After you will get some profit. Now in this example in your government textbook is given total profit is 1,20,000 plus 80,000, that is again profit. Then 20,000, that is loss in the 2018 year. Now the 20,000 will be deducted again in 2019, 60,000. All after adding these three profits and deducting 20,000 you will get 2,40,000. This 2,40,000 is known as a actual, that is the calculation of total profit, that is the actual total profit. After getting total profit, calculate of average profit. Now average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. After adding and deducting you will get 2,40,000. In this particular example you will get another amount at every time. 2,40,000 divided by 4. Now where this 4 came from? This 4 is the number of years given in your sum or given in your adjustment. Now in this particular example it is given 4 years. Sometimes you will get 5, so you should divide it by 5. If you get 6, you should divide it by 6. In this example we are dividing it by 4. So 2,40,000 upon 4, the average profit is 60,000, that is 60,000. Now the calculation of goodwill, this is the second formula. Actually it is third formula, for you can include this formula in this particular region and you will get the same result as it is shown over here. So calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is valued at a certain number of years purchase of an average profit. Thus goodwill can be calculated by the using the certain, that is the following formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit. Now average profit, the average profit as we get in the formula number second, that is the formula number first actually, into number of years purchase. Now number of year purchase is given again in your particular adjustment or particular sum, whether you get or whether it is mentioned. In this particular example, in the above example, goodwill is calculated 2 years purchase of average profit. Now they had given 2 years purchase, so we are putting the formula. Goodwill it is unknown to us, is equal to 60,000. 60,000 is what? The average profit which we earlier calculated, into 2. Now 2 is came from this particular adjustment, that is a 2 years purchase, so into 2, the answer is 1,20,000. So this is the actual average profit method. Now there is a second method known as the super profit method. Super profit is the profit which is earned over and above the normal profit. Means any company earning the normal or average profit in any year, after that company is expected some more profit. So that some more profit is known as the super profit. If the firm earns extra profit than the normal standard profit, it is because of its reputation of the firm. Reputation in the short, it is known as a goodwill. So the super profit can be considered as a base of the calculation of goodwill, and normal rate of return is considered the calculated at a profit normally expected on the capital employed. Means any person who is capital uh, who is putting the capital in the firm, he is expecting some profit. In example, if you are putting a 1 lakh, you are expecting 10,000 as a normal rate of return. That is the 10% of your actual capital. This will given you in the particular example or particular adjustment. In the firm earns the excess then the normal profit is known as a super profit. Now the actual calculation given. First is capital employed. The capital employed, as they mentioned over here, what is the capital employed? They are given here, and the normal rate of return they had given here. Now what is the capital employed? It is the amount of capital used by the firm to start and run the business. That is the simple capital. It is made the fixed assets then the goodwill plus current assets and minus the current liabilities. Minus means the minus. Basically, that is the actual capital employed. Means in your business you had put at the 5 lakh rupees and the actual assets purchased is 4 lakh and the 1 lakh rupees is loan taken. So assets minus liability, that is total 5 lakhs minus 1 lakh loan, you will get the 4 lakh rupees, that is the actual assets, is known as a capital employed. In particular example, you will get it directly. Normal rate of return, it is the rate of return normally earned by the firm in the same industry, or it is that profit expected by the investor on the capital employed. As earlier we told, the person who is putting or who is adding or who is investing any money in the business, that is known as the capital, and is expecting some cash, this cash is known as a profit. That is the normal rate of return, expected profit from the firm. We will go through the sum, that is the example. Find the value of goodwill from the following information using the super profit method. Now in particular this example, we are getting the 5 years, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. In again we need to calculate the average profit. First of all the total profit, and then after the average profit. In this particular example, they given us the capital employed is 3,50,000. Normal rate of return is 12%, means they are expecting 12% from 3,50,000. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of the super profit. Now we will go through the example. Now the same formula of average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Now the total profit, just like the same, 80,000 plus 95,000 plus 1,10,000. Then in 2017 we had suffered the loss, that is 40,000. This loss should be deducted from the actual profit, 85,000 now divided by 5. How the 5 came? Because they had given total 5 years, that's why. So after adding and deducting this amount, you will get 3,30,000 divided by 5. After dividing by 5, you will get 66,000. This 66,000 is particularly known as the average profit. Now again we need to calculate the normal profit, because this is the super profit method. So we need to calculate the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed. Now capital employed is particularly given in your example, that is the adjustment, into NRR. NRR means the normal rate of return divided by the number of years. Number of years is equal to 3,50,000 into 12. Now this particular is not the 100 years. Actually this particular is the basically this number of years is printed wrong over here, because after dividing by 100 you will get the percentage. So this is the actually percentage of out of 100%. Now this is particularly wrong printed over here. So 3,50,000 into 12 divided by 100, you will get 42,000. Just like the same way we already done, 0 0 cut this 0, cut this 0, then 3,500 into 12, you will get the 42,000. This 42,000 is known as a normal profit. This is the second formula. Now we will put the third formula. There are total 4 formulas in the super profit method. Calculation of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit we will get in the first formula, like the same way in the average profit method, 66,000 minus the normal profit, the another formula we put. So 66,000 minus 42,000 is equal to 24. This particular 24,000 is known as a super profit. Now the last, calculation of goodwill. Now in this particular super profit method, we need to write the super profit, that is goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. So is equal to 24,000 as we get the super profit over here into 2. Now how this 2 came? They are given us goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of the super profit. So 2 years. So into 2, then goodwill is 48,000. This particular adjustment is shown and need to be calculated in the admission, retirement, and death. You need to note down this particular example in your notebooks, and you need to learn by the various amount, or you can calculate it by putting any various amounts, and you will get the actual desired result.